guys, what's up? Today I have an actual drawing video, and here we are. It's a time lapse of me drawing my phone. Well, not my phone, a custom designed phone. It's just a little. It's not even a tutorial at this point. It's just a little time lapse of me doing it. If you've seen the video, it's probably shorter than the rest of all my other videos. It's really short. So. I know I'm not that much of a good drawer for these kind of app icons like Google Maps and WhatsApp, but I just drew them how I could. I was in a kind of a rush because it took me 6 hours to draw this. I had to hyper compress this down to super speed, and I really cut a lot of it down. Anyway, so we're chilling right now. We're having fun. Anyway, after I colored all the app icons, I just started drawing a little logo. And actually, that is similar to my real logo of my real banner. Anyway, I'm drawing that. That is the Android main system power. That is just an adapter to adapt all three into one. And then we have this one, these three connecting to the battery. As you can see, I drew that logo so people would understand. Now I'm drawing the main circuit chip. I just drew a few random bolts and stuff, and I just called it a day because it works. And after coloring it green, it looks better. So after that, you can add these. It's not a mistake. It's supposed to be like this. This is the Android. Wait, what? Oh yeah, the other is this one and the other one up there. They're both just what's it called? They're both Astro OS. I'll explain why I have two OSs. One is Android and the Astro OS. But yeah, I was like, wait, what? What happened? And then I saw that, and I was like, okay, let's see. I just colored it differently so it looks better, and now I'm just coloring the backup and the regular. After this, I just show some people and stuff. But before that, I just had the top. So I had a little bit of troubleshooting trying to make this work. Then I added that. There used to be so many, so I started deleting a few to look smoother. And the more I deleted, the smoother it looked. So I was like, bro, this isn't good enough. Bro said, looks like this. So yeah. Next we added these cameras over here. Now these look pretty ugly. They used to. Now then I made them look better. I just colored them straight up black rather than whatever the heck these are. And yeah, I was just chilling. Then I did this, I added that, and yeah, that's the whole thing. I added the name. Yeah, for reasons. I did forget to color in the inside of the A for some reason. I'll do that later one day, I promise. I will. But I don't think anyone will actually notice, but it's okay, don't worry. So I just carefully did this using the line tool. It's cool. This is real good, but I was like, I can do better. So I started and tried until I did this so much better. That looked much better and looked more glowy. People just looking around and accidentally. Yeah, bye.